be just blood related family experiences.
The community.
Yes.
Is family.
Things Jamaican. Promoting brand Jamaica. DVDs and CDs are used a lot. They are widely used, okay? They are widely used. So this is a shop that exclusively sells CDs and DVDs and books. This is a DVD section. Okay, so yes, this is just as you thought it was, a telephone booth, international and domestic. These phones actually work perfectly well. Yep, they still use these payphones. Yeah, they do. Let's check this one. Close the door, I need privacy. Yeah, I'm hearing dial tone and someone speaking in Japanese. I won't touch anything. This one is specifically for disabled people. So as you can see, there's a big space there. Let's go in. Pull. Volume buttons. You can use a telephone card. Yep. Use telephone card. Please dial without pointer card. You can dial emergency numbers. Yes. Pull. See? There's a big space to allow them to push their wheelchairs, and they have a ring that you can hold on to right there, and somebody drinks something. Oh my god, that's so unheard of in Japan. Yeah, it's quite a clean country. So you know, when you see these things, and of course there are boxes with doors. Yeah, they work perfectly. It's a telephone booth in Japan. Yup. Oh, you open the door. You gotta take me lucky. Oh, all I had to do was to push the door. Someone told me that they still use cassettes. Isn't this some cassettes? Yes, 80 yen for 60 minutes at a thrift. traditional stuff. And yes, more DVD. X word.
She or young.
They are big on paper, mailing, post office stuff. Yeah, they use a lot of paper. So JB Post is one of the biggest. Well, I think the post office also has. Yeah, so it's a bank and the post office. You can literally see these like at any corner of the street. They're very popular.
Go.
Speaking of banks, bank books are widely used and you can update them at the ATM. Yep. That's how the inside looks. No one look to see how much in there. Yeah man, bank books are still widely used in Japan. Actually, it's even easier sometimes than the online thing. The online thing can be so right now I forgot my password and I just bring the bank book, they call it passbook, and update it at the ATM, which is pretty cool.
7 or 7
Those were 5 interesting facts, weren't they? Things that people don't tell you about Japan. So, of course, number 7 won't be counted by Jamaicans. Who knows, right? Chi. So, you see me feeling up my belly right there? It's the next video that's coming up, you guys. I'm not even gonna tell you. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Boom, bang! I'm out.